The unified menu is pre-installed and easily accessible from the bottom, left, and right sides of the ActivPanel's screen. The unified menu provides quick access to Promethean's pre-installed Classroom Essential apps, your locker, sources, and more. The locker is a personal space for you to access apps, settings, and files. The User button allows you to create, manage, and navigate between user profiles. Select the Home button to return to the home screen from any application. The Promethean Whiteboard app is an instant whiteboard with all of the annotation tools you would expect. We have also added math tools, concept maps, infinite space, and the ability to turn any content into a collaborative activity with our multi-user mode. Capture takes a snapshot of the current screen. You may crop the image if you wish and add it into the whiteboard for interaction with all of the whiteboard tools. The Annotate app floats on top of any device connected to your ActivPanel, providing you the ability to annotate on top of anything. Source allows you to quickly access devices that are connected to your ActivPanel. Screen Share is a Promethean app that allows any device, iPad, Chromebook, smartphone, laptop, etc., to mirror to your ActivPanel. Navigating between apps is simple. Select Recent Apps and choose the app you would like to interact with.